welcome to Mom I Love and I am Shubhoshri. Today we have brought to you a very interesting topic, that is how can you teach addition or plus to your child. So you can start this with a 4-year-old child because we are going to start it with a very easy method. Though my child is already 5.5, but I will tell you that how you can start it at a very early age. So before I start my video, I will request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you are liking this kind of videos in future, please let me know in the comment section so that I can make more educational videos for your help. Before we start teaching our children addition, a single line addition we will start with, and there are few steps. I have broken the whole thing into 4 steps so that it becomes easier for your child to understand. First of all, you have to clear the concept that what is addition, what does that mean, and how the sign looks like. So this is how you can teach your child. If you can see that this is the plus sign, which means more, means whenever we are adding something, it makes the digit more greater than that. So in this way your child will be able to understand the concept behind 2 plus 2 4, means addition means always it is more. Then you can give your child, if they are too young, around 3 or 4, you can give them this kind of structures to color which resembles a plus sign. See, a standing line along with a sleeping line will make a plus. So your child can color this, and that can be an activity for your child just to get familiar with the thing. Next is, for clearing the concept, you straight away cannot jump into pen and paper. Firstly, you have to introduce counting with actual objects. For example, if you have color pencils like this at home, you can use them and ask your child to count one by one. So that if you give them 2 pencils, can you hold this for me?
Yeah.
So if you give them 2 pencils and tell them to add with 3, they will be easily able to see how much does it make. So can you tell me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it is very easy for her because she already know this. But if your child starts counting like from 1 to 10, then it will be really easy for your child also to come across the concept that 2 plus 3 makes 5. So when you do this with real objects, what happens? They try and relate with that, because when you are doing in pen and paper, your child cannot see the actual thing, which makes a difference. So you must have seen that whenever we are teaching our child something, we try and visualize that, we try and put that into action. So when they see some real objects, it can be anything, it can be their Legos or any playing object or pen and pencils as I showed you, or any other object which you have at home. So when you give them those colorful, interesting things to count, they are even more excited to do that. Third, I'll tell you, this is very important. First, we will not go and teach them from 1 to 50 or 1 to 100. When your child is already 3 years old, you can just limit the numbers to 1 to 10. Another point before starting this, I will tell you that whenever you are giving your child, after you have done with the pencil or object counting thing, you draw pictures like this. When you draw pictures, they can really count very easily. You have seen in nursery books also, they give sums like this. So before moving forward to single line sum, you can just give them pictures like this, and it will be really easy for them to do. Now the third part is counting, that when a child is doing a sum, he or she has to count the numbers. So there are 2 easy ways of counting numbers. One way is using tick marks, and the second way is to write numbers upon each object. So we will quickly show you how to do that. So here Chandra is doing addition with the help of 2 methods. The first method is ticking the objects, and second she will be writing the numbers. Okay? So can you do this?
Yeah.
2,
3.
3. So see how she has written the numbers on each apple. So this one is 1, 2, 3. So that is 3. The answer is 3. Here she will just tick mark all the pictures, and then she will count the numbers and write it here. So can you tick mark these?
Yeah.
Yeah, count while you tick. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So there are two ways in which you can do this. So now after practicing with the objects and the real objects and the drawings, now this is time to get into the proper single line sum, which we write one number upon another and then we put the plus sign like this. So we will do the sum like this. I will tell you two methods of doing this sum. Number one is counting fingers. So first you have to teach your child that every finger has 4 marks. Can you tell us how many marks are there in your hand?
4.
In every finger there are 4 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in one hand there are 20 marks. So if they can learn like this, then they can count. Okay, 2 plus 3. 1, 2, then 3. 1, 2, 3. So this mark is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we count our fingers. Next is drawing lines. So that is even easier for small kids who are younger, like 4 or 3.5. They can try this. They can just draw lines and do that sum. So Chandri, first she will do these two sums with the line method, right? So can you draw lines and do the sum?
Yes.
Can you read the sum first? It is very important you tell your child to read the sum first. Yeah.
3 plus 2.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Now this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes. Good job. As you have seen, we have done these two sums with the help of lines. Now these two, Chandri will count in her finger. So first sum is 2 plus 1 and the second sum is 4 plus 3. So can you count in your finger?
Yeah.
2 plus 1?
Yes.
Yeah, keep the pencil now. Yeah.
1, 2.
Yeah, plus 1.
1. 3.
Yes. So the answer will be
3.
3. Can you count 4 plus 3 for us?
Yeah.
Okay, now count 4 plus 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now 3.
1, 2, 3.
Now how much is this here? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, the answer is 7. So now you have seen that how easily she has done this. So previously what I taught my daughter was this line method, because that was much easier for her to do, because mostly children cannot remember this finger counting thing at a very early age. So this was our video today. If you want more educational video for your child, please let us know in the comment section. If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to smile.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.